Hello traders! Welcome to my channel AM Trading Tips, where I share effective trading advice and strategies to assist you in becoming a successful trader. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a top-notch best Forex super signal MT4 indicator. Now let's take a look at the trading rules for this indicator. But before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our new videos. The trading rules of this indicator are very simple. When the price is near the support level and a buy arrow signal is received, place a buy order. Set the stop loss at the previous low point. Set the take profit level at the next resistance level. When the price is near the resistance level and a sell arrow signal is received, place a sell order. Set the stop loss at the previous high point. Set the take profit level at the next support level. This indicator works best on candle timeframes of 15 minutes and above. Avoid trading during news releases to steer clear of market volatility. Instead, focus on the active European and New York sessions for better results. I hope you have understood these trading rules. If not, don't worry. We will take some live trades so you can see how to trade with this indicator in action. We request you to watch the complete video to better understand the trading process. To get this indicator for free, just hit the like button on this video. Once we reach 200 likes, I'll share the download link on my Telegram channel and in the video description. So, make sure to like the video quickly to reach our goal of 200 likes. So let's start now.
Introducing the One Strategy That Makes You Rich course, your guide to financial success. Master trading effortlessly with a single, potent strategy in just 50 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, our in-depth video simplifies complexities for easy understanding. Learn from a seasoned expert with over a decade of trading experience. Get exclusive tools, a custom MT4 indicator and template setup. Simplify your trading journey with a straightforward approach to strategy implementation. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Join the One Strategy That Makes You Rich course today and take control of your financial destiny. Enroll now and let's make profits together, because success is not just a goal, it's a strategy.
According to our recommendations, this is a perfect sell trade setup because the price has reversed from the resistance level, and at the same time, the sell arrow signal has been received by the indicator. So let's quickly place a sell order here. We have set the stop loss at the previous high and will book profit at the next support level. If you have any suggestions on this setup, please write them in the comment box. Now let's wait for the result until the trade is over. we've won this trade as well. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. So go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me and helps me continue to produce high-quality content for you. And don't forget to share this video with your trading community. So keep learning, keep growing, and always remember that the power to succeed is in your hands. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.